Emotional Rebuild: How Silence Rewires Your Feelings. Mind Explorer SP6. Episode 4, Long Final Edition. Healing isn't a return. It's a transformation inside silence. Slow, unseen, sacred. When noise fades, the brain turns emotion into sculpture. Every pause carries invisible rewiring whispering. You survived. Silence doesn't delete pain. It translates it. Deep inside the limbic system lives the editor of feeling. It reconstructs emotion, each recall, blending memory with imagination. Every replay becomes new footage, never identical. Yesterday reshapes under today's light. That's neuroediting. Meaning replaces accuracy. That's how emotional truth is rewritten. Scene 3. Cinematic imagery. In silence, 1,000 neural sparks repaint fear into calm. Amygdala, the colorist, dims. Cortex adds warmth. Emotion shifts tone like film under soft exposure. Healing is brain cinematography. Consciousness becoming its own director. You aren't recovering. You're storyboarding your rebirth. Inside the mental editing room, stillness mixes memory like music. Through pause, the mind reviews unsorted footage, heartbreaks, hopes, unfinished dreams, decides what deserves replay. Unwanted scenes dissolve into background noise that teaches wisdom. Silence is the mastering engineer of truth. Scene 5. Deep science passage. Scientists call this emotional reconsolidation. Your brain resaves memories with updated meaning. The same neurons that once triggered pain now fire for insight. It's not recovery, it's version 2.0 of your emotions. Each recall becomes therapy coded in light and timing. Reality itself doesn't change. Perception upgrades. This is the secret of resilience. A silent film re-rendering in your head. No soundtrack except your heartbeat. Each beat is a cue mark. Another frame of transformation. You are not broken. You are in post-production. Watch grief turn into color if you stay quiet long enough. Neurons align, frames sync, chaos becomes symmetry. What once shattered you becomes contrast defining the brightness of who you are. Healing is biological art. You're both canvas and creator. That's the hidden science behind emotional rebuild. The process is patient, like eternity editing your timeline. Old scenes will re-render till they match evolution. That heaviness you feel? It's compression, preparing export of higher quality truth. Every silence is rendering time. Every breath, a small progress bar inside consciousness. Scene 9. Expansion and reflection layer. In those silent exports, understanding blooms. You start hearing meaning between moments. Why that heartbreak mattered. How that pause taught empathy. Silence doesn't remove memory, it remasters it. That's when wisdom replaces reaction. Gratitude slides into the audio track of your mind. You are rebuilding emotion like mastering a film. Cuts, fades, overlays, all intentional. And suddenly, color grading shifts. Pain turns profound. You realize your timeline changed tone. Everything's still there, but gentler. Silence altered your editing style forever. When stillness surrounds you, electricity slows. Brainwaves synchronize with heartbeat rhythm. In that alignment, self-truth flashes. Bright, fragile, real. A moment of pure coherence where silence sings louder than noise. That's rebirth in cinematic frame rate. Silence isn't emptiness, it's the sound of recalibration. When the storm quiets, don't rush to fill the space. Let silence write your final draft. Let it rebuild feelings from the inside out. That's the science of renewal. Rewriting your emotional truth. Dive deeper in Silence as Power, the mind's reset code. Part of the Mind Explorer SP6 journey, now unfolding.